Is it an earthquake? The two kids were shaking. The houses around them shook. Oh my god. It was their dad snoring. The two kids went to their dad's room. They wanted to shout at their sleeping dad. They didn't expect their dad to roll over and continue snoring. It was like a rocket launching over. The girl took out her nose plugs and plugged them up. They didn't expect them to be launched and knocked out the shooting star. The two of them were dumbfounded. Dark. Cockroach built an iron box and covered their dad. The sound broke through the iron box and the boy tried to get the remote control and his dad grabbed it and turned on the TV. The sound pierced through the box. The boy tried to get the remote. The dad grabbed the remote and turned on the TV. It was finally quiet.